Hi everybody, we are at Tartini Pizzeria and Spaghetteria. We are on South Orange Ave in Orlando, and we have come here tonight. They do have a cheese wheel that they present right at the table for you, and they have the oven pizzas. So okay, today is Sunday and it closes at 9. So here we are. Let's go in. How are you? Two. We have a reservation. Mary Hudson. It's till 7. Thank you. Thank you. And here's the wood stove. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you. So we are here, and let me show you the menu. Tortilla. Here are the appetizers. Here is the menu, and here are the appetizers. I'll go slow. Here are the salads. Wood fire pizzas. You can build your own, or here are what they do offer. Here are the signature plates. The sides, the kids menu. Here's their classics, desserts, the drinks, and the wood fire specials.
Yeah, my friends, how are we doing?
Hi, how are you today?
Good. Welcome to Tartini. My name's Steven. I'll be taking care of
Hi, Steven. We have not, no.
Awesome. Welcome in. Any food allergies, dietary restrictions before we get started?
No.
Perfect. Did you want me to go through the menu with you really quick since we've
Of course, yes, if you'd like to.
Right. So, all my favorite things are going to be found right in here, and that's our beer and wine list. If you need any samples, have any questions about anything, please ask. I'd love to help. We also have cocktails down at the bottom, as well as sangria. I really love our red sangria. Definitely recommend that.
Okay.
As far as our menu, appetizers are going to be up top. My favorites are the mussels marinara, the beef carpaccio, and the ratatouille. They're all great. I just really appreciate the presentation on those three specifically. Beneath that, we have our salads. I will warn you in advance, our salads are quite large. If you're thinking about getting one, I definitely recommend splitting it. Okay. Beneath that, we have our pizzas. All of our pizzas are going to be 12 inches, 6 slices. Everything in orange just means it is a more popular dish, but don't be discouraged. My favorite pizza is probably the tartufo, which is the mushroom and truffle pizza. We'll flip that over. We have our pastas up top. This one in bright orange is our signature pasta here, the pasta alla rota. That is the cheese wheel pasta that we make in front of you at the table. A lot of fun, really good. Highly recommend adding the shrimp or chicken to that. I also recommend both of our risottos and that cartocci as well. It comes out in a giant flaming swan. It's a lot of fun. Beneath that, we have our classics. Can't go wrong with our chicken parmesan or our carbonara. The pancetta on the carbonara is definitely an excellent touch. Then we have our wood-fired specials. That manicotti is definitely a standout for me with the pesto and chicken together. It goes really nicely. And then you have to save room for dessert. They are all baked from scratch.
Ooh, nice.
Of course. Can I get you started with something to drink?
What are you going to get?
Get a Peroni.
Peroni, excellent.
I'm going to get a Bacardi and Coke.
Bacardi and Coke. We actually only have beer and wine.
Oh, okay. I'll have a red wine, please.
Red? Any preference?
You know, I think I'll try the sangria, the red sangria, and then I'll go with the red after.
It's really good, and I'll bring us some waters as well. Okay?
All right, thank you,
Thank you. I'll be
Stephen.
right back.
Thank you. So that was Stephen, our server. And as we come in, this is the bar area. And you know what? I don't think I'm too short. I don't think I'm going to be able to reach and see. But here is the wood stove. And here comes Stephen with our drinks.
Sangria.
Thank you, the red sangria.
Some waters just in case. Are we still checking out that menu? Have any questions for me?
You kind of have an idea of what we want.
Yes.
What can I get started?
We're going to do the cheese wheel.
Definitely the pasta alla rota.
Yes. And we're going to do a pizza. I would like the build your own. I'm going to do, my half is going to be just cheese, please.
Okay. And for you?
The other half, I don't know, you have crumbled sausage or anything like that?
Sausage?
Yeah, that'll work.
The sausage?
That's fine.
Perfect. And then that pasta alla rota, are we splitting?
How big is the portion?
It is a good sized portion, but for $4.50 more, you can basically double it for a split, is what we call it. Do you want to do that just in case? Definitely. And did you want to add any shrimp or chicken to that pasta alla rota?
I don't. Did you?
Sticking with just the classic?
Yes.
Perfect. I'll get it right out for you.
All right. Thank you. Are you doing it?
Definitely.
All right. Good.
I'll take these menus out of the way.
Thank
We'll
you.
get it right out.
All righty. Thank you. Okay. And here comes Stephen. We have our whale plate.
All right, my friend.
Where's a good place for me to film you? Is this okay?
Yeah.
Okay. One time, the first and only time we went to Atlantic City, we got this.
Oh, yeah?
And it was like this big. And we're looking at it like, oh no.
Not here. Here we take care of you.
Okay.
So did you want to try some of the cheese before we get started?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
Of course.
What kind of cheese is that?
It is a Parmesan,
Oh, okay.
but it's not just any Parmesan. It's imported from Italy and aged for 18 months before we ever get it. Each wheel weighs about 65 pounds and costs us about $3,000.
Wow.
But we're able to use every bit of the wheel throughout the restaurant and everything that we make, from our pizzas to our sauces, so nothing goes to waste. This wheel will make about 200 to 300 of this dish. And I've never seen it last longer than a few weeks.
Wow. Thank you. Ooh, I got a big piece. And here's our sample.
Now this is a very high proof brandy.
Oh, wow.
Actually about 100.
Thank you. Thank you. Our pizza has arrived. Also, that's brandy.
It's pretty strong, but it's also very fragrant. So once we cook all that alcohol out, it'll just be very flavorful.
Did the lights just go down for you?
They're good.
Wow.
They got somebody just constantly watching for this.
That cheese is excellent. I looked on Open Table and they didn't have any reservations. So then I had called earlier to make sure that you did this, and then I called back and they're like, what time do you want to come in? I'm like, whoosh.
Perfect. So we're getting up to a nice boil. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right.
Wow, there goes the lights, yeah.
We're gonna get that all melted and incorporated. Here comes the pasta. Perfect, thank you.
Wow. How long did it take you to learn how to do this till you got it down?
So, it was about a week before I was on the floor doing it myself, but till I actually had it down, I was very nervous that first week.
But you know, nobody knew.
Yeah, and I didn't hurt myself or anyone else, and that's all that really matters when you're playing with fire, you know?
How do you spell your name? Is it P-H?
Yeah, it's a S-T-E-P-H-E-N.
That's the way my dad used to spell it.
Yeah?
You can put the rest in Glen's dish.
Okay, no problem. And now there will be some extra cheese sauce left over. Did you want that on top?
Yes, please.
No, nobody really says no to that.
No.
Surprising, right?
I put cheese on everything. It's funny, I'll say this, cheese, and the dog comes out of nowhere because she hears the crinkling of the paper. So at the end of the night when you're closing, what's the process that you have to just wipe it down?
So we wipe it down between each rota. We clean it out between each of these dishes. And then at the end of the night, we scrape it up, the excess that's on there, and then we store it in the walk-in.
Oh, nice. Is it hard to start doing that when it's brand new?
Because like right now you can see there's a big dip in there for everything to catch, but when it's brand new, it's just pasta right on top. How about any cracked black pepper?
Yes, please.
Perfect. All right, my friends, here we are.
Thank you, Stephen.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
So I just wanted to tell you about the experience that we had here at Tatiano's. We got the cheese wheel, and our service, Stephen, was excellent, and the theming is wonderful. Once he starts putting everything into the wheel, the lights go down for the effect when he starts lighting everything on fire with the big flame, and then he adds the pasta. The pizza came out at the same time, and I'll tell you what, we could not, we couldn't finish anything. There was just so much food. But definitely come here. We highly recommend it. And he said that all of the different desserts are made from scratch. So here's my sangria, and with my meal I got a glass of Merlot. Thank you so much. I just wanted to say thank you. We went to Atlantic City one time when we got the cheese wheel, and I Googled. We live in Davenport, and I Googled it, and this came up. But we are staying local, so. And thank you for getting us in, because when I opened on Open Table, they didn't have any openings.
We close the table for Sunday and Saturday. We're busy.
Oh, okay. You know, you're the one that I called up originally, and I asked, did you have the cheese wheel? And then I called back, and I was like, we want to come. So thank you so much for getting us in. We do YouTube, so probably in a couple of weeks I'll have everything all up and running. So I gave Stephen ours. But everything was wonderful.
See you next time.
Yes.
You'll try already the pizza, yeah?
Pizza was great.
Everything. Glen started making his own pizza. We for Christmas we got the grill pizza, and then the wood fire with the charcoal. So he's been dibbling with that, which is a lot of fun.
Thank you.
I like it when the work is done though.
Yes.
No, when you're done.
It's a lot of work to make your own dough and
It's hard
proof it and everything else. So, but yeah, this is very good.
Thank you. And I hope you will be back.
We will. We definitely will.
See you next week.
We'll recommend.
Yes.
And if you put in Google Yelp review, we will be appreciated.
Okay, we will. All right.
Your name?
It's Mary and Glen.
Very good. Nice to meet.
Hi.
My name is Alec.
Alec, thank you. Thank you so much.
Like your hat.
Thank you.
Thank you. He just got it today. Our grandson kind of brought it
I
home.
had another one and my head must have swollen after. So I gave it to my grandson when he was visiting. And so today I said,
Okay,
I saw it. I said, I'll get a little bit bigger. This is
But it looks amazing.
it's great in this weather. You never know it's going to rain.
Yeah.
So,
It keeps the sun off your ears.
You know those big sombrero hats? Glenn has such a big head that those big sombrero hats are too small. They just sits like this.
big but so small for head.
That's a decoration.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It was so nice to meet you. Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good night.